Today I'm going to show you how I like to use the Wanderlightly Rejuvenate Hyaluronic Acid Serum. Now don't be intimidated by the word acid. Hyaluronic acid is a naturally found substance in the body, but much like collagen, it does deplete as we get older. Hyaluronic acid can hold over 1,000 times its weight in water, so it's amazing for moisturizing, hydrating, and plumping the skin, especially during those cooler months where our skin is lacking moisture. Now it's always great to apply hyaluronic acid to damp skin, and you apply it after you've cleansed and before you plan on applying any facial oils or facial moisturizers. To apply it, ensure your skin is damp or that you have damp hands. Apply a couple of pumps and then lightly press into the skin. Don't forget your neck and décolleté. And then follow with your favorite facial oil or moisturizer to complete your skincare routine.